Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the problems on linear congruential method and multiplicative linear congruential method. Question: use a linear congruential method to generate a sequence of 5 random numbers given x not equal to 27, c equal to 43, a equal to 17 and m equal to 100. And we have a formula xi plus 1 equal to a into xi plus c mod m, and Ri equal to xi divided by m. X is nothing but a random variant, R is nothing but a random number. And in the question they given, we have to calculate a 5 random numbers. 5 random numbers means we have to calculate R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. So x0 is also called as seed value. Here in the formula, if we substitute in place of I, if we substitute a 0, we will get a x0. So this x0 is called as a seed. And a is a multiplier along with the seed. So A is called as a multiplier. Plus C is there. So C is called as an increment. And mod M, so M is called as modulus. So we are going to see the solution now. And in first we have to substitute I equal to 0. So if I substitute I equal to 0, we will get x0. And here we are going to get x1. 0 plus 1 x1 we are going to get. So x1 equal to a into x0 plus c mod m when I is equal to 0. So substitute here. A, if the value they are given, it is 17. X0 value they are given, it is 27 plus 43. C value they are given, it is 43 mod 100. M equal to 100. So if we calculate 17 into 27 plus 43, so we are going to get it's a 502 mod 100. 502 mod 100. If I calculate 502 mod 100, we are going to get x1 value is 2. This is a random variant. Again R1 we have to find out the random number. So R1 equal to x1 divided by m. X1 value is 2. We got this from this formula. 2 divided by 100 is equal to 0.02. This is the first random number we got. Same like that we have to calculate remaining 4 random numbers. So the next value is x2. x2 is nothing but a into x1 plus c mod m. x1 value we got from the previous step, that is 2. A value they are given, it is 17. x1 is 2. C is 43 mod 100. If I calculate 17 into 2 plus 43, I got 77 mod 100. So x2 value is 77. Again R2 is x2 divided by m. 77 divided by 100. So 0.77 is the second random number. And the third random variant, we have to calculate a into x2 plus c. So x2 value is, we got it from the previous step. So that is 77. 17 into 77 plus 43 mod m. So 1352 mod 100. x3 equal to 52. So R3 equal to x3. What is the x3 value we got here? It's a 52 we got from this step. So divided by m is equal to 52 divided by 100 is equal to 0.52. x4 a into x3 plus c mod m. So 17 into x3 value we got it from the previous step. The value is 52 plus 43 mod 100. We got the value 972 mod 100. So x4 value we got here, it is 27. So R4 we have a formula x4 divided by m. So x4 value we got here, it's a 27. 27 divided by 100 is equal to 0.27. This is 0.27. So x5 is equal to a into x4 plus c mod m. 17 into previous step we got x4 value here it's 27 plus 43 mod 100. The value is 502 mod 100. x5 value is equal to 2. R5 x5 divided by m. x5 value we got it here, it's 2. 2 divided by 100 is equal to 0.02. We got the value of R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. See, you can able to see here R1 and R5 value is same. R5 value we got here, it's 0.02 and the R1 0.02. The same value we are going to get. If they are not given how many random numbers you have to find out, then here you have to stop. But in the question itself, they are given the sequence of 5 random numbers. So stop the calculation for the 5 random numbers. This is about the linear congruential method. And the second question is, use a multiplicative congruential method to generate a sequence of 4 3-digit random numbers given x naught equal to 117, a equal to 43. You can see here x naught and a value is given, and c value and the modulus value, they are not given. So x naught is nothing but it's a seed, a is nothing but it's a multiplier, c is an increment value they are not given, and the modulus value also they are not given. But in the question they asked you to find out 3-digit random numbers. So the solution, we have the same formula over here, a into xi plus c mod m. Here we have to note down in the multiplicative congruential method, if they are not given the modulus value, then we must be knowing that if I want to generate a 3-digit random number, we should divide xi by m. This value by m value will become 1000. If I want to generate a 2-digit random number, then divide xi by m equal to 100. Okay, 2-digit random number means we have to divide and we have to take the m value is equal to 100. If I want to generate a 3-digit random number, so we have to take it the modulus value m equal to 1000. In the question they are given, we have to generate a 3-digit random numbers. So we know that by this question the m value will become 1000, and the c value for increment. So in the multiplicative congruential method, the c value is 0. In the linear congruential method, they'll give the value. So in the multiplicative congruential method, the c value will become 0. Remaining thing as it is what we did in a linear congruential method. x1 equal to a into x naught plus c mod m. A value the given 43 into x naught 117 plus c value is 0. So in the formula itself you can change that a into x naught, a into x naught into x naught mod m. This is our formula in multiplicative congruential method. So a value they are given, it's a 43 into 117 x naught value mod m. So if I calculate 43 into 117, we are going to get 5031 mod 1000. If I do divide 5031 divided by 1000, we are going to get modulus value is 31. So r1 will become x1 divided by m. X1 value we got here, it's 31, and here 31 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.031. x2 value a into x1 plus c mod m, that is a into x1 value we got, it's a 31 plus c, it will become 0 in a multiplicative congruential method. Mod m is a 1000 value. So 1333 divided by 1000, we got x2 is 333. Modulus value is, we are going to get 333. So R2 is equal to x2 divided by m. So 333 divided by 1000 is 0.333. The next value x3, same thing, substitute the previous x2 value, that is 43 into 333 modulus 1000. So if we multiply 43 into 333, we will get 14,319 modulus 1000. So x3 value we will get 319. R3 value x3 divided by m, 319 divided by 1000, 0.39. x4, again substitute x3 value, in the previous step we got, it's a 319 modulus 1000. So 13,717 modulus 1000. So our x4 value we are going to get, it is 717. R4 is equal to x4 divided by m, 717 divided by 1000, 0.717. This is the R4. In this question what they are given, we have to generate 4 random numbers of 3 digit. So here we will get four random numbers, that is R1, R2, R3 and R4. So we generated a four random numbers, that is R1, R2, R3 and R4. So the calculation of generating a random numbers. Thank you everyone.